Okay, so we've made a big decision regarding our channel, which means that we've decided to transition to a new type of content. So far, we've uploaded all sorts of tutorials on how to build websites, like for instance, how to make a real estate website, a car rental website, a service or rental marketplace, a job board, a membership site, online courses, food ordering, appointment booking, hotel booking, school management system, you name it. We've covered all of these already. But again, we've made a big decision for this channel, and we are going to transition to a new type of content. And the reason why is very simple, is because in order to succeed online, knowing how to build a website is not enough anymore to generate money. In order to be successful online, you need to master not just one area of business, but several areas of business to make it happen. So going forward, we've decided to upload more content on how to make money online. So we've decided to cover all the fundamentals to become successful while running an online business. So that means that we're going to show you many different ways how to make money online, including how to drive traffic to your website and how to convert that traffic into revenue, including many marketing and sales tips to help increase your conversion rate. We're going to upload videos on how to acquire new clients, where to find those clients, how to price your products and services, how to position yourself on the market, and tips on how to become the obvious choice in your industry. And we're going to share some of the best tips that we found while reading different books, and we're going to show you how to apply that information to your online business. And we are also planning to interview well-established online business owners, asking them for their best tips on how to be profitable online, so that you can learn from their experience as well. And also, we're going to cover all the mistakes and pitfalls that you should avoid. So we're going to show you precisely what not to do so that you can save years of learning the hard way. So basically, we are going to answer all the essential questions every online business owner should know about, so that you can generate tons of money and become the next success story. Now, for all our current subscribers, don't worry, we will still upload web design tutorials. It's just that the focus will be on how to generate money from those projects. So there you go. Whenever you're watching this video, this is the plan for this channel going forward. Now, if this is the type of content that you are interested in, consider subscribing to our channel, and you might as well do it right now while you're at it. And let me help you with this. It's this button right here. Alright, so thank you guys for your support, and we'll see you in our next video.